basically, these are just the available colors here in the UAE. We have the red one. Uy, baliktad. Sorry. Baliktad din, sorry. Totoo, Mang Goryo. Sabaw. Take two tayo. Take two. Go. Hi guys, what's up? It's me again, Mang Goryo, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, as you may already read in the title of this vlog, we will be reviewing and unboxing limited editions of Copper Mask. Well, basically, just some of the limited edition of the Copper Mask, because they are about to release different colors as well. And here they are! So these are just available colors here in the UAE. We have the red one and the orange one. So in this vlog guys, we will be unboxing and reviewing it again. By the way, I would like to say thank you to Tita Dianne. And shoutout of course kay Van Jeff na nag-connect sa amin ni Tita Dianne. And actually guys, these Copper Masks were given to me to review. So thank you so much Tita Dianne. And guys, if you want to avail Copper Mask, I will leave the contact details of Tita Dianne. Or you can just message me directly guys on my Facebook page, MANG GORYO, or my personal Facebook account, that's Greg Paje. And you can just comment down here sa vlog na to kung nandito kayo sa UAE or sa Dubai. But before we go ahead, I would like to say thank you to all those who already watched my previous vlog about the unboxing and review of the Copper Mask. As of now, we already reached 5.5k views on YouTube. Thank you so much guys, and mega shout out to all those who commented on that vlog. Kuis Neil Kamba and kay Skid Lidu, ito yung pwedeng pumalit kay Lloyd Cadena. Ito yung comment na hindi ko alam kung matutuwa po ako dyan. Hindi, syempre it's a compliment kasi maybe you're seeing something that yung mga qualities ni Lloyd Cadena nakikita mo sa pag-vlog ko. But then again, super thank you, na-appreciate ko yung comment na to, Skid Lidu. And shoutout na rin kay At Cherry. At actually meron dito medyo nagtatalo na ng very light sa comment section. But then guys, kalma lang po tayo, okay? Okay din naman yun actually kasi interaction pa rin naman yun at engagement. So, comment lang kayo guys din sa vlog na to kung meron kayong mga questions and I'll try to answer them all. So, tama na sat-sat Mang Goryo. Let's unbox and review the limited editions of the Copper Mask. Tara na, let's go. Bubuksan na natin siya guys. So, I'm opening now the orange one. Ayan. Kagaya na dati, yung packaging niya guys is naka-sealed siya ng plastic. Ayan, tagal to ng plastic. Ayan, super sealed siya. At nakalagay sa harap of course yung Copper Mask face mask helps kill 99% of germs. And again, hashtag #1 best-selling Copper Mask brand siya guys. Limited edition guys, okay? This is the limited edition. Ayan. And of course, yung sa likod naman makikita nyo guys, nakalagay pa rin yung benefits ng Copper Mask and kung ano yung mga inclusions ng Copper Mask na nandito. Again, it has 1 piece antimicrobial Copper Mask film, 10 pieces reusable nano-woven filter, 2 pieces seal sticker, and 8 pieces colored Copper Mask logo, and 2 pieces elastic string of course. And again guys, this is good for 30 days. This Copper Mask guys is made in Korea. So, buksan na rin natin itong red para sabay-sabay na natin talaga siya ma-review at matry kung perfect nga ulit talaga to. Alright, let's open the box now guys. Ayan. At ito na nga guys. Uy! Wow! Nice! Okay, ganito pala siya. Ngayon guys, iba na yung packaging niya. Ito, buksan din natin itong red guys. Let's see. Para sabay-sabay na sila. Ayan. Nice! Wow! Okay! Nakalagay siya sa isang ziplock bag. And as I can see guys, ang may color guys ay yung filter. Hindi talaga yung pinaka Copper Mask film sa labas. Let's try the orange one guys. Ito yung Copper Mask film niya guys. Ito yun. Very light siya. Ang color niya is parang super very light brown talaga siya guys. At ito yung may kulay. Orange. At may white siyang kasama. Tama ba? Oo, 10 pieces. So, tig-5. At guys, ito yung mga stickers niya. Ito yung mga stickers niya. Ayan. Tsaka yung itong antimicrobial film. Ito, nandito sa side na to. Actually guys, iba yung niya ngayon. Yung elastic string niya. Kasi, kung dati, yung sa 2.0, bilog yung nasa parang stopper niya. Ngayon, flat siya guys. Look. Ayan po siya. Flat siya guys. Hindi siya yung bilog. So, namumove siya para ma-adjust mo siya dito. So, ito, ganun din. Ganun din yung niya, guys. Ito yung film. Ayan. Ito yung film. Tapos, meron siya. Ito, red color. Oh my God, it's very Christmassy. It's very festive. Oh, pwede pa rin pumorma kahit naka-Copper Mask. Gusto mo yun? Katulad na nangyari last time, guys, sa akin. Talaga nag-avail lang ako ng Copper Mask, yung 2.0, just for the wedding of my sister. Kasi, alam mo yun, naka-outfit kami, naka-suit kami, para mas fashionable naman yung mask natin since nasa pandemic pa rin talaga tayo. Pinush namin yung pandemic wedding. Speaking of pandemic wedding guys, may baka naman. Gusto niyo rin panoorin yung mga kaganapan sa pandemic wedding ng sister ko dito sa Dubai. Nandyan lang yan dyan guys, baba sa mga videos ko. Anyways, going back guys, we'll try to build this again guys. Try muna natin i-build tong orange guys. Kagaya ng dati, ang dali lang itong ma-build guys. Kailangan lang natin munang ganyan, i-fix muna yung itong film. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng antimicrobial film guys. Ito yung sa may nose area. Dito talaga yun eh. Tapos, close natin siya dyan. Pag naka-close na natin siya dyan guys, fold na natin siya. Ayan. Na-fold ko na siya guys. Ayan. The next step guys is doon naman sa baba. Kailangan pantayin natin siya guys. Ayan, ayan na siya. Nabuo ko na siya guys, yung mask. We'll try to put the orange one guys. Ito yung filter niya. Ganun lang din ulit. Kung anong shape nung yung that i-perform nyo, papasok nyo dun guys. Okay, try natin ipasok tong elastic string guys. Sana hindi ka natatagalan Mang Goryo sa paggawa nito. Hindi, ang dali-dali lang naman talaga nito guys. Well, basically yung iba, ganito ang paggawa guys. Nandito yung stopper. Pero actually guys, may discover ako. Itong stopper is pwede mo siyang ilagay dun sa likod. Ganito guys ang ginagawa ko. Para hindi siya nakalabas na parang may whiskers. Ano daw? Basta yung sa pusa. So basically, nakabuhol dito siya sa harap. Tapos, yung stopper, nasa likod siya. Nandun siya sa likod ng tenga mo. At ito guys, pwede mo siyang ibuhol para at least nakasecure siya. Sinabi? So ayan guys, ito na nga. Oh. Ayan. So basically, ganito lang naman to. Ayan. Oh. Suot ko na! Diba? Nakikita pa rin yung orange guys, diba? At naririnig yung boses ko compared dun sa mga normal mask na ginagamit natin. Yun kasi walang space pag ginamit mo. Dikit talaga yun sa mouth mo. Pero ito guys, kahit nagsasalita ka, okay lang din. Kasi may space talaga yung mouth mo tsaka yung sa mask. So itong orange guys. So basically guys, yung red is parang pareho lang naman. Ang papalitan lang naman talaga is yung filter. Hindi ko nabubuuhin yung isa guys, yung sa red. Papalitan ko na lang siya ng filter. Try natin kung okay din naman yung itsura. At talagang gusto mong kakulay ko na naman yung red. But I think the red one is parang maganda siya kasi talagang very festive yung kulay niya. Lalo na ngayon palapit na yung Christmas. And guys, just to give an idea lang naman, diba? Since malapit na ang Christmas at since nasa pandemic pa rin naman talaga tayo, I think this is a very good Christmas gift idea. Itong copper mask, diba? Especially itong may kulay, itong red. Kasi diba, kahit pandemic tayo, alam natin medyo hirap pa rin talaga ang buhay, super struggle sa araw-araw kasi nga nasa pandemic pa rin naman tayo. Using this copper mask, na comfortable siya guys, and there's a color on it. So, hindi lang siya yung parang the normal surgical mask na ginagamit natin or yung mga black na ginagamit natin. At least sa mask na lang. At alam mo yun, may kulay siya, parang buhay siya tingnan. So, why not ito na lang iregalo natin sa mga loved ones natin, sa mga friends natin, sa mga relatives natin. Diba? Perfect to guys! Ayan na pa hinihintay nyo. Check nyo na yung contact details ko dyan guys. Or pwede nyo na akong i-PM guys sa MANG GORYO page ko. Or dito mag-comment na kayo guys sa mga nandito sa UAE. And I'll help you. Bibigyan ko kayo ng presyong kaibigan. Okay? PM is the key. O, gusto niyo yun? So, eto guys. Pinalitan ko lang yung film guys ng red. Kasi pareho lang naman yung film ng copper mask film sa labas. So, yung color lang talaga magkakaiba. Wow! Ang ganda! O, diba? Ang taray. Kakulay ko na naman siya. O, diba? Wow! Nice! See? At hindi siya talaga super bright red kasi nasa ilalim lang siya nung light brown copper mask film natin. So, ayan. Ganyan lang siya. At again guys, meron siya dito butas. Para sa akin okay yun kasi yung circulation ba ng air, di ba? At least meron ditong lumalabas na air, hindi siya kulog para hindi nagpo-fog yung pag nagsasalamin ka. Well actually guys, ito, pag suot mo yung copper mask, kahit nakasalamin ka, never talaga siya magpo-fog guys, yung salamin mo. Super. Na-try ko na siya. It's very comfortable. So that's it guys for this unboxing and review of the limited editions of the copper mask. And actually may mga parating pang color guys. At ito yon. Wow! Super excited ako sa ibang colors. Parang it only shows na kahit nasa pandemic pa rin tayo, let's not forget to have fun while staying safe, diba? And again, I would like to say super thank you kay Tita Dianne for giving me those limited editions ng copper mask to review. And shout out din kay Kuis J. Pangilinan. Hello! Kuis, thank you din sa offer mo. Guys, again, if you want to avail this copper mask limited editions or kahit yung 2.0 version na ni-review ko last time, you can just contact yung contact details ni Tita Dianne dyan sa baba. Or you can just PM me directly, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share nyo na rin, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated kayo kung may mga bago akong vlogs. Also like my Facebook page, MANG GORYO. And always remember, be kind and be awesome. See you next time. Bye!